Is your SEAT Ibiza's infotainment screen frozen, producing no sound, or constantly needing reboots? These problems, common in 2017 onward models with VW Group's MIB systems, often stem from software glitches or hardware integration issues. Start with a simple reboot. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that fails, check for corrupted cache or incompatible apps, especially after Bluetooth pairing or Android Auto Apple CarPlay use. Try a soft reset by disconnecting the battery for 30 minutes. For sound issues, ensure your audio codecs are functioning correctly. Try to put the system in safe mode for diagnostics to find the issue. Early diagnosis is key. Identify if the issue occurred after a recent update, app installation, or specific function use, like navigation, to narrow down the cause. Performing these initial checks can resolve up to 70% of basic problems without professional help. If basic fixes don't resolve the issues, focus on software updates. For SEAT Ibiza models from 2023 onwards, use the SEAT Connect app to perform over-the-air updates wirelessly. For older models, perform manual USB updates, but ensure you use the correct VW software version that matches your ECU variant to avoid damaging the system. SEAT has released updates through 2025 that specifically target freezes and audio dropouts. The latest firmware version, 5.2.1, includes AI diagnostics that automatically scan for system faults and guide users through necessary reboots. For persistent problems after updates, use an OBD2 scanner to diagnose your ECU health. Solutions may vary by model, so research your specific Ibiza year and MIB version on forums like SEAT Owners Club or Reddit's r/SEAT. When DIY troubleshooting doesn't work, consult professional diagnostics. Third-party repair services typically cost around £150 compared to £300 at a dealer.